Hello?
Hello. Yes, good day. This is Dave. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good.
Okay, so by the way, this is only a follow-up call in regards for a COVID-19 testing kit.
Say that again?
You are under Medicare, right?
Can be.
Okay, so like I said, this is Dave from First Choice Testing on the recorded line. And I'm giving you a call today regarding for a 2022 Medicare COVID-19 test program. All Medicare recipients can receive up to 8 over-the-counter COVID-19 tests each calendar per month at no cost throughout the COVID-19 public health emergency. Okay?
Uh-huh. What do you
Okay,
say?
and you are under Medicare, right?
Yeah.
This is only one of your benefits for being a Medicare card holder, and the good thing for this is don't worry about the cost. This is fully covered by your health insurance carrier.
Right.
So may I ask, may I ask just to confirm to address you properly, how do you pronounce your first and your last name?
My first name is Elsa. Elsa. My last name
Okay.
is Gondo. Gondo. And that's D as
Elsa
in
Go.
dummy.
It's a D.
Try to B? Not B.
It's a D, as in dog.
Yeah, D as in dummy. Yeah.
Okay. Just to confirm, when is your birthday?
My birthday? Is September the 11th, 2001.
Are you sure?
No, I mean it's 1981. I'm sorry.
How old are you right now?
How do you know what?
How old are you?
How old am I? Well, add it up.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Are you sure?
No, not really. I've had a lot to drink today. Yeah, come on me. Man, God. There's those telemarketers, a big kiss.
Hey,